Okay, here we have a small assembly line, and you can see by the fact that the little video icons are in each of the activities that this data is actually coming from our Video Timer Pro, which means that when we click on the little icon here, it will bring up a preview, and then if you give it a few seconds after that, it will actually start playing the video here. Now the problem is the videos here can very easily contain the noise of the factory. And if you wanted to create operator material, we'd want to create our own audio to this particular piece of video here. So I'm going to stop this. I'm going to exit out of here. And to do that, you point at a particular activity. You can also do it on the task level as well. Hit the right mouse button and you click on Edit Media. And that will bring up in isolation that particular clip for that particular activity. From here, you click on the audio. And this will give you the opportunity to start the recording. This is going to replace the activity, the noise of the factory in the background. So what I'm saying now is actually becoming the audio track to this particular piece of video. I stop the recording and I save it. You know you have an audio by having the little icon right here. You can also attach one or more documents to your particular activity here. So for instance, if I click here, I can for instance go and find some work instructions and add it to it here. This is an Excel sheet here. And I can add multiple documents to any particular chip here. And when I save that, you'll know you've got an icon by having this little you'll know you've got a document by having this little icon right here. If you wanted to add your own URLs to it, you can click here and add your URL. For instance, I can type in www.acsco.com, which is our website, and click on the OK, and this indicates you've got a URL attached to it now. So now when I close out of this, you'll notice my icons up in the top left-hand corner of the activity changed to reflect what is actually here. At the bottom right of the preview, you see the icons representing the audio, document, and URL. And if you double click, you can hear the audio. You can click here, and you can say, open up the work instructions. And the work instructions are covered in a separate video in this section. But here you can see you've actually got graphics, part numbers, and so forth built directly into your work instructions. And Timer Pro will manage those for you as well. And finally, you can click on the little icon here, and this will take you out to the website, the URL link. This happens to be our website that covers all the features of the Timer Pro. So what we covered in this section is the ability to add operator training materials to your work processes.